Hello each and everyone, welcome back to my channel. Chef Will is gonna show you guys my quick smoothie recipe this morning. It's recipe with kale, orange, banana and berries, and I'm using some cashew milk today. So I'm just gonna jump right in and show you guys how to make this great breakfast smoothie. You can use it for lunch as well if you're dieting. It's a great recipe to use. So I'm just going to show you guys what's going on right here. So right here, I got a handful of kale right here, which works out to about a cup. I'm already washed this, and I take that middle piece out of the kale. That's the vein. That's pretty hard. It can be really hard to blend inside or drink inside your smoothie. So I took that middle piece out, and I chop up the kale right here and put it right inside. Alright, so that's a handful of kale right there. And here I got a tablespoon of chia seed right here, and tablespoon of flax seed, and I got a tablespoon rolled oats right here. Just gonna dump that right in. And I got one orange I peeled already. Just gonna cut these segments off. Take this middle piece out, and you can just rough chop and get it right inside your blender. Alright, and this is my cup of mixed berry right here. This is just blueberries and raspberries anyway. You can use strawberries as well. Whatever kind of mixed berries you have will work. And I got one banana right here. I'm just gonna peel this. And this is going right inside. Alright. That's my banana right there. And I'm gonna use 1 cup of this cashew milk. If you don't have the cashew milk, you got almond, that works as well. Alright, that's just 1 cup. Just gonna dump that right in. Alright. So this is how you make your morning smoothie. This is just a recipe I'm sharing with you guys. You can use it for lunch or breakfast, as I said before. I'm just gonna get my blender and start mixing. Alright, so I got everything in the blender right here. I'm gonna start blending. Start low, medium. Then I'll stop and go again. Beautiful. Alright. And there you go, your breakfast or your lunch is ready. Alright. There you go, guys. Beautiful smoothie recipe. I hope you try this out and let me know how you like it. I'm gonna take a drink. Wow. I love the flavor of the kale. The berries, they're nice and sweet. Lovely. Alright, and the bananas give a nice sweet taste to it as well. But just love the flavor that's coming out of it. It's a great healthy recipe. Try it out if you're on a diet. It's great for your morning lunch. Please drop a comment and let me know how you like this video. If you're new watching the channel, don't forget to subscribe, share it with a friend, and I'll catch you in